What's up, guys? My name is Josiah Martin and I am the Alaskan Outsider. I love getting outside in this beautiful state of Alaska and going on as many adventures as I can. And when I go out on these adventures, I need to bring gear with me, whether it's filmmaking gear or backpacks. And so I like bringing product review videos to you guys to just show off what I'm using and see for yourself if there's something that you might want as well. And today I was sent a backpack made by DTown. It's a hydration backpack, so it has a nice little water spout on here, and you can stay hydrated out on your hike like I like to do here in Alaska. So the one thing that is really nice about this backpack is that it's extremely affordable. It's less than $25 on Amazon. Now, keep in mind, you get what you pay for. If you want a really fancy water backpack that's gonna keep you going for years and years down the road, I'd suggest, spending some decent money to have a really high quality build. But overall, I'm really impressed with the build of this. It feels like, pretty sturdy material considering the price. After a couple rinses of the water bag, you do wash away most of that plasticky flavor that you get from a brand new water bag. This backpack also comes suited with a waist strap, which I don't know if it's just me because I'm 6'5", but it seems like more of a belly button strap than a waist strap. It's kind of high, so I don't know exactly why it's there. If I had a choice, I'd take it off. It's not really a feature for me, but someone smaller in stature than myself might find it useful. Really, you're not going to be weighing this backpack down too much because it is so small. And that is one of my biggest complaints, is that for most of the filmmaking I do, I want to be able to put a drone in my backpack. I want to be able to put my camera in my backpack. So really the size doesn't meet my needs, but that doesn't mean it doesn't meet your needs. It's, very small and compact, so great for a day hike. It's a 2-liter water bag, and it does have a nice insulation pouch in here, so it keeps your water cool, or if you're going out on a cool winter hike like me, it can keep your water a little bit warmer, a little bit longer. Some other nice features that I really appreciate about this backpack is there is an MP3 output, which most of the time these days you're using Bluetooth anyway. But if you still have a cord, you can easily thread it through. There's a nice little mesh pocket you can put stuff in, and it has a little reflective light, so that way if you're biking or walking at night, car headlights will reflect on it and keep you that much safer. So overall, if you're wanting a budget backpack, I'd say this is definitely a good option. Like I said, it's not going to be your top shelf backpack. I will list my very favorite CamelBak hydration backpack in the description if you're looking for a little bit more quality. But if you only have $23, there is really no reason why this backpack wouldn't work well for you, and I'd say go ahead and pick it up. The link is in the description. If you want to help this channel out, you can go over to Amazon. And until next time, we'll see you guys in the next video.